So what we're looking at is, we're looking at that guy right there. What you want to do is, with the truck off, you want to take it and you want to move it. You see how it's touching the side? It's touching the side. That means your bushing's worn out. Now if you have like a 2023, 2022 or something newer, do it. If it doesn't move, don't put the bushings in. The rubber has to break down, or else you can experience some transfer vibration from the engine compartment or your steering box. But once the rubber's broken down like that, you really shouldn't. You might experience a little, but it's better than veering into the oncoming traffic. If you don't want to feel any of this, then go buy a new intermediate shaft for like $600-700 bucks. Okay, so now we're gonna put this in. Okay, these are our bushings, and there is the tapered side on this side, and it's not on this side. Put the tapered side in first. We're gonna take the tapered side, we're gonna stick that in like that. We're gonna take a small hammer and just get it started. Okay, it's gonna be easier if you position it kind of diagonally like that. You just gently tap it like that, about halfway in. Then you're gonna fire the truck up and rotate it to the other side. You don't want to go all the way in because it can offset the bushing. I find putting it straight down first, or kind of like to the side, but not too much strain on it. Tapered side in first. See, it kind of went in. Some trucks are maybe a little tighter than the others because the bushing might be to one side or the other. And just gentle little love taps. Then turn it to the other side. Nice gentle small taps. Just takes a little while, but you don't want to damage anything up in there by smoking it.